Hello students, our today's topic is nature and significance of management. So let's start with the concept of management. Management is a very popular term and it's used in all types of activities. It's a process of achieving goal in an effective and efficient manner. ये एक प्रोसेस होती है जिसके अंदर हम लोग वर्क करते हैं इन इफेक्टिव एंड एफिशिएंट मैनर मीन्स सही काम को सही तरीके से सही टाइम पर कैसे फिनिश करना है, दैट इज़ नोन एज मैनेजमेंट. ये काम किसी एक इंडिविजुअल का नहीं होता है, इट्स अ ग्रुप ओरिएंटेड प्रोसेस. इट इज़ डन बाय अ ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल. Here we have used three terms, that is process, effectiveness and efficiency. What is mean by that? Let's discuss that. Process is a primary function of doing any act. Like when we start doing any activity, so first we do planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling. It's all about process. Like first we'll discuss what to do, what work we have to do and in which manner we have to do. So that is known as process. After that we'll come to effectiveness. Effectiveness is about completing the task in a right manner and at the right time. We can say that it's all about achieving our task. इफेक्टिवनेस में क्या होता है, हम लोग जब भी कोई टास्क कंप्लीट करना है तो उसे सही तरीके से और सही टाइम पर कंप्लीट करना कम्स अंडर इफेक्टिवनेस. नाउ द लास्ट वन इज एफिशिएंसी. Efficiency is not about completing the task, it's about completing in a right manner, that how we can reduce our costing. इसके अंदर सिर्फ यही नहीं कि हमें काम करना है, हमारा टास्क कंप्लीट हो गया, हमने गोल अचीव कर लिया. गोल अचीव करने से ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट हमारे लिए ये होता है कि हम उसे कैसे मिनिमम कॉस्ट के अंदर कंप्लीट कर सकते हैं. When we talk about process, effectiveness and efficiency, together they become a good management. हम लोग प्लानिंग कर रहे हैं, ऑर्गेनाइजिंग, स्टाफिंग, डायरेक्टिंग, कंट्रोलिंग, दैट इज़ द प्राइमरी फंक्शन. उसके बाद वी विल वर्क फॉर अचीविंग आवर गोल इन अ राइट टाइम एंड इन अ राइट मैनर. बट इट्स नॉट इवन completed. Now we have to work to reduce our costing. So efficiency work for that. अब हमारा जो मैनेजमेंट है वो हर चीज़ पे काम करता है, हमारे प्राइमरी फंक्शंस पे भी, देन टास्क को कंप्लीट करने पे भी, एंड एट द लास्ट हाउ वी कैन रिड्यूस आवर कॉस्टिंग. सो दिस इज़ कॉल्ड मैनेजमेंट. नाउ कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ मैनेजमेंट. फर्स्ट वन इज मैनेजमेंट इज़ अ गोल ओरिएंटेड प्रोसेस. We all know that we are working to achieve our goals. So when we work to achieve our goals, so that is known as goal oriented process. Our main target is to achieve goals, and management work for achieving our goals in a proper manner. In management, people together work to achieve their goals and they do work effectively and efficiently. They will discuss where they are lacking and how they will improve themselves. Second one is management is all pervasive. The activity involved in managing an enterprise are common to all organizations, whether economic, social or political. It means we need management in all the sectors. Either we are working in economic, social or political. If we are doing work in an NGO also, we need management over there. मैनेजमेंट की ज़रूरत हमें हर जगह होती है. अगर हमारे घर में एक शादी का फंक्शन भी है तो वहाँ पर भी हम मैनेजमेंट को यूज़ करते हैं. हम लोग पहले प्लानिंग करते हैं कि हमें क्या काम कैसे करना है, देन विल अपॉइंट सम पीपल कि आप ये काम हैंडल करेंगे, यू विल डू दिस वन एंड यू विल डू दिस वन. सो दैट इज़ ऑल्सो कम्स अंडर मैनेजमेंट. अगर पॉलिटिक्स की बात होती है, व्हेन इलेक्शन केम, सो दे यूज मैनी पीपल्स टू डू डिफरेंट एक्ट. So management is all pervasive. It's not about business only. It works in different sector and in a different manner. So it's a group activity as well as it's all pervasive. The next one is management is multidimensional. Different places have different work. So management of work. Some in factory a product is manufactured. Garment store पे क्या होता है, हम लोग कस्टमर्स की नीड को सेटिस्फाइड करते हैं. And in hospital, patients are treated. We treat patients in hospitals, like उन्हें क्या issue है, उन्हें क्या problem है, accordingly we do work. The second one, management of people. Here we all know management के अंदर individual और group दोनों काम करते हैं. So we have to handle in a manner that we can handle an individual as well as a group. We can't dissatisfy anyone. We have to handle each and every person so that they will work with full dedication, they will support us, they will follow our guidelines. So in management we have to take care that how we will handle our employees as an individual as well as in a team. Third, management of operation. Here what we do, we have to work that how we can achieve our goals and what technology we have to use. हम लोग कोई भी काम करें तो हमें सही टेक्नोलॉजी जो है वो यूज़ करनी ज़रूरी हो जाती है ताकि हमारा काम जो है वो ईजी एंड इन अ प्रॉपर मैनर वी कैन फिनिश इट. सो द नेक्स्ट वन इज मैनेजमेंट इज़ अ कंटिन्यूस प्रोसेस. एज वी हैव डिस्कस दैट मैनेजमेंट इज़ अ प्रोसेस फ्रॉम द बिगनिंग टिल द एंड. मतलब हम लोग जब शुरू करते हैं वहाँ से जब तक हमें हमारा गोल अचीव नहीं होता है, वी हैव टू वर्क इन अ कंटिन्यूस मैनर. विल स्टार्ट विद द प्लानिंग. प्लानिंग इज़ अ प्राइमरी फंक्शन वेयर वी डिसाइड व्हाट वी हैव टू डू. उसके बाद हम लोग ऑर्गेनाइजिंग, डायरेक्टिंग, स्टाफिंग एंड कंट्रोलिंग करते हैं. एंड कंट्रोलिंग इज़ अ प्रोसेस विच वी हैव टू डू कंटिन्यूसली. इट्स नॉट अबाउट ओनली कंट्रोलिंग. We have to plan accordingly that now this step is over, so what next we have to do. We have to do planning and organizing, directing, staffing and controlling continuously. It can't be stopped in a mid. So management is a continuous process and it works simultaneously. We have to work all the things equally at the same time. Now the next one is management is a group activity. As we have discussed, it's a process and it can't be done by an individual. So it is done by a group of people, or we can say by a team, and they work in a different sectors. Like few people work for planning, few people work for staffing. We have different department. As we have HR department, we have sales department, we have top management with whom we can discuss our issues, what technical issues we are facing, what issue we are facing in sales, production, distribution, whatever issue we are facing we can discuss with the top management. So management work is a group activity. It works in a team or in a group of people. For achieving goal we have to work in a group or we have to work as a team. So the next one is management is a dynamic function. We all know that our needs and desire change accordingly. So company have to use new technologies, new way to produce things according to needs and demand of the people. So we have to adopt a new technology, a changing environment, so we can achieve our goal in a right manner. The next and the last one is management is an tangible force. We can't see management because it's a process. It's not about an individual or it's not about a person. We can't see the management, but management work, and if it works in a proper manner, then only we can achieve our goals and we can grow our organization. If employees are happy and satisfied, it means our management is working in a proper manner. So today we have discussed about management, what is management and the characteristics of management. Thank you.